Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display and Brightness. Following that, tap on the switcher next to Auto Brightness. And if the switcher is blue, that means that it's on. You can always switch it off by tapping on the same switcher again. If you wish to, you can go into that menu as well and tap on this little icon next to Brightness slider to manage adaptive brightness. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!